Okay, guys, today we will learn about one very lesser known feature of Microsoft Excel, and that is the camera. Now, camera will not be there by default on your toolbar. So there we will go to quick action navigation tool, which we have already discussed earlier, and go to more commands. And in the left hand side, instead of popular commands, select commands not in the ribbon, and there you find this camera and add it to the right, so that it goes to the right hand side. I will not do it because I have already added camera onto our quick navigation toolbar, and say OK. Now let us see how this will help us. Now suppose you have got multiple sheets, and from those sheets, for going to a meeting, you only want certain columns to be taken, because the whole thing you don't require, number one. And number two, if you take the whole thing, it will be not only confusing but too big sheet to go through when you are having a meeting. So what we can do is, say we require these two columns. Select them and click on this camera icon. Go to another sheet and right click, and they are there. Again, we'll go back here. Maybe you require their addresses. Select them. Click the camera icon. Go to sheet 6. Select where you want it. And here it comes. Now let us go to sheet 3 or sheet 2, and you want the items to be part of your presentation. Just select them. Select the column, means the rows of the column that you want. Click on the camera and just right click wherever you want it. Okay. Now, what do you think about this tool? You must be thinking, oh, it is just copy and paste. But obviously all these things you can do with copy and paste also. You just keep copying all the columns that you require and paste it here. But there is a problem. Now, after making all these things, suppose you realize that this city or this last name was typed by mistake. So actually it should be James. So you change it to James and go to sheet 6. See, it is James now. So difference between copy and paste and camera function is, in copy and paste, it takes the screenshot and places it wherever you want to place it. But if there is a small mistake, you have to redo the whole thing again. But in camera function, this whole area is an integral part of your original data. So when you make changes there, changes are reflected back here. Okay, now once you have done all that, you can go to File, take printout. So it has shown it here. Instead of taking the printout, you can this printer, you can do print to file and save it as a PDF document, and PDF document, and take it as a digital data, And yeah, that's all about camera. I thought of telling you about this is because still I don't know why people use copy and paste, which is a dumb way of using it. And it is not exactly copy and paste, but does the same thing in an intelligent way. Where if there is a uh, data which needs to be edited in the original sheet, that gets reflected to the sheet that you are taking the printout from. I hope it is clear. If any doubt you have, just write your doubt in the comment section and I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.